Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So today I'm doing something a little different.
Wow.
When I say a little different, I mean way out there. Like, this is so not me at all.
What are you doing?
I am making watercolours.
Okay.
So, as everybody who has ever seen us before knows, I absolutely love the Jacquard Pearl-X mica colours.
Yep.
And I was just browsing, doom scrolling, as they say, through Pinterest the other day. And I saw that you can make watercolours from mica colours. And I thought, oh, I need to do this. I mean, full disclaimer, I cannot paint for toffee at all. I am not a painter. I am not an artist. But I thought I've got to give this a go. So I bought some gum arabic, which is it's like a thickening thing.
Okay.
I will put a link to that in the description. And then I added 1 scoop to these little trays. And then for each 1 scoop, I added 4 scoops of the mica.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you with me so far, Kirk?
So one scoop of gum.
Yep.
To 4 scoops of mica.
Yes.
Okay.
That's exactly it. And I just pulled down a selection of the colours. And I thought, I mean, at this point, I had no plan, no idea what I was going to do with them. I just wanted to try them because I have seen so many people do watercolour-y things.
Yeah.
And it just looks so much fun.
Okay. Yeah.
And I've always thought, I'm not doing that because I can't paint. I'm not an artist. But you know what? Sometimes you just got to go.
Go with the flow.
Yeah. Sometimes you just got to say, I don't care. And I'd never go and buy watercolours.
Yeah.
But, you know, making a mess, well, now I'm your girl.
Yep.
If there's a mess to be made,
on board with that.
I am totally 100% on board. So once I'd got all the powders into these little trays, I added just a few drops of water.
4.
Now, I probably did add 4 drops.
It was 4 drops.
But that's not a scientific amount. It was just until it looked about right.
Okay.
And then I mixed them to within an inch of their life.
Yep.
Making sure that I got into all the little corners of the little trays and whatnot. And it was basically just rinse and repeat for all of them. So
it looks really good from there.
Oh, honestly. So I did all of them, as you can see from Kirk's magical editing skills. And then I left them to dry for, I think it was my intention was to leave them for a day, but real life, it happens. And it ended up being about 3 days.
Yeah.
So then it was time to go back and have a look. Now, as you can see, a lot of the water has evaporated and you're left with this sort of watercolour thing, palette, whatever. So the first thing, I know, it's very technical. Very technical.
Yes.
Well, I'm not an artist, am I? So I don't know. There's watercolour things. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the first thing I thought I'd do is just try it on some AquaCast because I've never, ever used watercolours. I don't think I've ever used watercolours in my life. I mean, I might have used them when I was about 5, but I don't remember that far back. But now it doesn't go on like an acrylic. It sort of sits and wibbles around. But it does go on, but it's very different to how an acrylic goes on.
So you'd paint that, you paint that on there and then let the water evaporate.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I don't think it's how it's supposed. I think it's supposed. I mean, there's a couple of factors. The AquaCast I was using had been sat on my desk for about a month, so it's proper dry, proper rock hard.
Yeah,
no longer porous. But I was committed at this point, so I thought I'll just keep going.
Yeah,
and I got to be honest, I was in a little world of my own.
Did you enjoy it?
I did. I really, really did.
I mean, you quite like painting anyway.
I do. I mean, I'm not, like I say, I'm not an artist, but I do like the sort of...
The process.
I like yeah, I do.
Yeah.
There's something quite relaxing about it. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's quite bizarre. So I was just playing at this point, really. And then I thought, right, I'm just going to leave that. Now, I've got some of this, it's like little bits of card, but it's specifically for watercolours. Because I read somewhere that you have to use different types of card. So I thought, well, I'll just get some. And I only got these little tiny bits and then I thought, right, let's be an artiste.
Okay.
Not a clue. And I feel that once you have watched me do this, anyone who is an artist who is watching will be like, yeah, don't ever do that again, Nikki.
You could probably hear their eyes rolling.
I can hear their eyes rolling and their little, like, I can, like that. Oh my, what is she doing? What are you doing? I can hear it. I can hear it through the screen. Don't worry. The effects will wear off.
Eventually.
But, I mean.
No, I did actually see that. I saw you do it, but I wanted to have a go after.
I know.
I haven't had a go yet.
You haven't?
No, but I thought it looked actually quite.
I think you should.
Yeah.
But by this point, this was me just practicing like what the stuff is like.
Yeah.
Because I had a brainwave.
A brainwave?
A brainwave.
Wow.
Yep. I thought, so with the little humans, we normally get, like when you wrap their presents and things, you do, you put the gift tags on, don't you?
Yes.
And this year, see, if they're listening, if they're watching, they're going to know. But this year, our presents to them are very specifically themed around something.
Yep.
And I thought, you know what? I'm going to hand make their gift tags.
Yeah.
So that's what I thought I'd do. So this was just me faffing.
I suppose that's the good thing about the watercolour, though, is if you don't like it and it's still wet, you could just literally just go over it and just
I did. I thought
I think that actually looks better now.
I thought that's a complete load of rubbish, that is. So I'll just go over that again and no one will ever know.
No, but it looks grassy and muddy now.
Yeah.
I think that looks really good. Yeah,
I was, it's if you've never tried this watercolour lark, I'd have a go. I honestly, I would. If you've just have a go. It's just really chill.
Yeah.
Really chill and fun. God, how much of this footage did you leave in?
What? I was just, left you just painting it.
Just left me painting.
Yeah.
Oh, I tell you. So I sent that off. I let that dry, and it only takes, I don't know, half hour to dry at the top. I basically went off and had some lunch, and then I came back, and then I thought, right, I'm going to put some trees in.
Again.
And well, the first lot of trees I didn't feel were very good. To be fair, the second lot of trees aren't that much better, but I felt better about it.
Okay.
It is artistique.
Yeah, you are an artiste.
I'm an artiste. And then I thought I'd just put in a little, like, I don't know, path or something, just to give it a bit of, I don't know, zhuzh it up. But I have to say, the jacquard colours are stunning as watercolours. I mean, they're phenomenal in mica.
Yeah.
But as watercolours, you've got, because they actually retain the shimmer.
Yeah. So it's
it's like a sparkly paint.
Yeah.
That you can rub out, which is pretty cool, I have to say.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I was like, yeah, I quite like that. And then I thought, that'll do. I'm just going to leave that as it is.
No, look, I mean, for somebody that doesn't really do watercolours and that, and that's your first attempt.
I do not paint. And then it was back to the gnome man, just to see what else I could do. So I gave him a white beard.
I mean, you can actually see the shimmer there when you're painting it on.
Yeah. So if nothing else, this served as a good sort of demonstration of what level of shimmer remains. But I just thought it was really cool. And it's the sort of thing that you can do that. I mean, I will make some of these with the little humans.
Yeah, they'll love it.
Because they will just love making their own colours. And on top of that, you can mix different mica colours together to create your own specific colours.
Yeah.
Which the little human, tiny human, possibly, I don't know, she might, but little human will love that.
Yeah. Oh,
her
definitely.
own little custom colour.
Yeah.
And tiny human will probably like naming them.
Oh, God, no. No, because she's a little version of me.
Yeah, so you can imagine the sort of names that we'll have. I mean, go on, name me a red.
What, that red there?
Yeah, just name it.
See, I'm thinking like a blood.
Yeah, see, there we go. That's exactly the problem. She is very much. She's got a lot of the H gene.
Yeah.
But so I just sort of finished this chappie off because he's mine anyway. He's not for anybody else. He's mine.
Yeah.
Because he was a leftover. It was a bit of leftover AquaCast from another project that I just shoved into the mold. So, but yeah, he's quite cool.
I think it looks really good.
I like him. But yeah, is he still sat on my desk?
He is.
He is
sat on your desk.
But it does. I mean, it would need a top coat.
Yeah,
for sure. You couldn't. But I tell you what I love about this stuff is you can just go over it and go over it and go over it.
Yeah,
it's just I really like that. So the why am I getting the look from you? Anyway, so that was my I told you it was a little bit different.
Yeah.
So if you fancy having a go at this, I will leave links to everything I've used in the description. And there you can see in our glamour shots the actual gift tags that I made. So
which you didn't record.
I didn't record them. I didn't, and I got proper told off.
Yeah.
But I feel that once you've seen someone paint something, you know, how much more do
Why is there red on there?
Well, I'm glad that you asked that because when I was putting the mica pot on the photography thing, there was a bit of powder on the bottom and it dropped.
Okay, so that's not intentional.
No.
That's not like you've had somebody like bird hunting and they've just like...
No.
They've just hit one.
No, it is not. No, it's mica dust.
Okay.
So
I was getting very impressed then. I thought, oh, look, she's gone dark.
No, I am the light. I am the light. My goodness. So yeah, that's my little gift tags for the little humans. So if you're watching this, girls, look what Grandma made you. And on that note, if you're still with us at this point, thank you so much because I know that this was a real different one.
Yep.
But you know, variety is the spice of life.
It is.
And if you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're there now, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
Indeed. And hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yes.
Take care and bye for now.
Bye for now.